fractions. So what are equivalent fractions? Let's consider a fraction 1 over 2. So how do I represent 1 over 2 visually? I have a circle and I divide it into two parts. So 1 over 2 means 1 of 2 parts. So in a circle divided into two parts, what does 1 of 2 parts represent? It represents this shaded portion. This is 1 over 2, right? So say I would multiply both the numerator and denominator of this fraction with the same number, let it be 3. So what do I get? 1 times 3 over 2 times 3. So 1 times 3 equals 3, 2 times 3 equals 6. So this equals 3 over 6. Means 6 total parts and 3 of 6 parts, as fractions are parts of a whole. So here I have 6 parts in a circle divided into 6 parts, and 3 of 6 parts is this shaded portion. So can I see this 1 of 2 parts and 3 of 6 parts is one and the same thing? So basically here 1 over 2 and 3 over 6 are equivalent fractions. Even 2 over 4 is equivalent to 1 over 2. 4 over 8, 5 over 10, 6 over 12. I can keep writing them down, right? So these are all equivalent fractions. Now I will do some sums to understand, to make the understanding on equivalent fractions better. So I have two groups of fractions, group A and group B. Group A consists of 3 over 6, 12 over 18, 25 over 35. And group B is 5 over 7, 2 over 3 and 1 over 2. So I have to match these fractions basically. So what does 3 over 6 means? In short, what is a fraction in its lowest terms? Is this fraction in its lowest terms? The numerator and the denominator have a factor other than 1. So it is 1 times 3 upon 2, 1 times 3 over 2 times 3. So the numerator and denominator have a factor other than 1, which is equal to 3. So basically I am reducing this fraction to its lowest terms to find which fraction amongst these is equivalent to this. So lowest terms means I have to find out the common factor, highest common factor of the numerator and denominator, and I have to divide both the numerator and denominator by that highest common factor. So basically, or I can cancel out the common factor in the numerator and denominator. So this becomes 1, 3 times 1 and 3 times 2 equals 6. So 3 over 6 equals 1 over 2. Then I have 12 over 18. So 12 equals 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 2, and 18 equals 3 times 2 times 3, right? So what is the HCF? HCF is this number 6. So I can write 12 as 2 times 6 and 18 as 3 times 6. So 12 over 18 equals 2 times 6 over 3 times 6, and the common factor 6 is cancelled out, and this equals 2 over 3. So 12 over 18 corresponds to 2 over 3, and this last 25 over 35, I can say 5 is a common factor. I cancel out 5. 5 times 5 is 25, 5 times 7 is 35. So this corresponds to 5 over 7, right? Then I can also do a word problem on equivalent fractions. A class has 60 students, 25 of them are girls. What fraction of the class's girl students? Express the fraction in its lowest terms. So express the fraction in its lowest terms. Right? So basically I have the total number of students in the class is 60. and 25 of them are girls. So what fraction are girls is 25 over 60, and express this in its lowest terms. So 5 is a common factor and 25 over 60. So I can write this as 25 over 60 as 25 is 5 times 5 and 60 is 5 times 12. So here 5 is the common factor and I cancel out this 5. So what remains is 5 over 12. So in the lowest terms, the fraction is 5 over 12. And this expression, this 25 girls of 60 is a fraction, and that is expressed in its lowest terms. Again, we go to reducing a fraction to its lowest term. Now, lowest term or reducing a fraction to its lowest form or simplified form or simplifying in a fraction is one and the same. So basically, to understand a little bit more, I have a fraction 2 over 3. Now this is in its lowest terms because 2 and 3 have no common factor apart from 1. But I can see here 4 and 6 are not in its lowest terms. So 4 over 6 is, I can write 4 as 2 times 2 over 3 times 2, and this common factor 2 gets cancelled out and I have this is again 2 over 3. So this same fraction 2 over 3, it can be written as 4 over 6. It is also 6 over 9 because 6 over 9 is like again here 6 over 9 can be reduced to 2 over 3, where the common factor in the numerator and the denominator is 3. And here 8 over 12 is the same as 2 over 3 and the common factor is 4 because 2 times 4 equals 8 and 3 times 4 equals 12. Similarly, 1 over 2 is in its lowest form. But here 2 over 4 is not, and this can be reduced to 1 over 2 by cancelling out the common factor of the numerator and denominator, which is 2. And here again this can be reduced to 1 over 2. The common factor is 4. That is common factor in the denominator and numerator. Now there are certain other fractions which is 18 over 3, 15 over 12 and 75 over 45. These need to be reduced to the lowest form, lowest terms. So basically I can see 3 goes 6 times in 18. 18 divided by 3 equals 6. So this fraction in its lowest terms is 6. And this is 15 over 10. So 15 over 10, I can write 15 as 3 times 5 and 10 as 2 times 5. So 5 is the common factor which is cancelled out and the lowest form is 3 over 2. Now 75 over 45. So which is equal to 75 is 20, no, 75 is 5 times 25. 75, it's not 5 times 25, it is 5 times 15. 75 is 5 times 15 and 45 is again 3 times 15. So here 15 is the common factor which is cancelled out and the simplified form of the fraction is 5 over 3. My next video is going to be about proper fractions and improper fractions and mixed fractions. Stay tuned.